All right, I'm going to weld vertical up on that same piece of steel that I just welded down on, vertical down, using the E6013 3/32 size arc welding rod, using about 70 amps DC current, DC electrode positive, and on the Harbor Freight Tools arc welding machine. Now I'm gonna tell you something. I learned to weld myself from the internet, watching Chucky E 2009 videos on YouTube. I tried to get into welding school one time, and they wouldn't let me in because they said that I couldn't do it. It was in Abingdon, Virginia, where I tried to get into welding school, and they wouldn't let me in because they said they thought I couldn't do it. So I knew to myself I can do it. So I got some welding rods, small cheap welding machines, some scrap metal, pair of lens covers. And I'm gonna tell you something. When you weld, when you weld like this, you put some sunblock on your face, and that'll keep your face from getting sunburned from the welding arc. So I'm gonna weld vertical up, and I'm gonna show you what I've learned without going to school. Here we go. All right, that's vertical up. Let's knock the junk off, take a look at it. So, and here's what we have vertical up. All right, there's the top. You can see where I started weaving it. You know, when you're welding vertical up, you got to get the amps set just right, because the molten steel will run downhill and it will pile up, and it will get hot in one spot and it will melt a hole through the steel. So you got to keep it moving, and you got to keep the amp set just right so it doesn't get too hot. If this were thinner steel, it would definitely melt a hole through it very quickly. E6013 3/32 size arc welding rod, 69 amps, DC current, DC electrode positive, vertical uphill. You can see where the gravity pulled it, you know, trying to pull it down. So you got to get those amps set just right.